So guys, take a look at this behemoth fifth wheel by Heartland. This is a Gateway. Now, one thing I want to show you about what Gateway's done, they've moved from having a solid straight axle to now providing their fifth wheels on drop frames. So the format in this unit is going to be enormous. One of the standout benefits of a drop frame is the ridiculously large basement storage. I mean, check this out, guys. This is probably a solid 3 feet tall by at the end nearly 5 feet wide, and on this side about 4 feet wide. It's just a massive storage area, and that's all due in part to having a drop frame. So this drop frame right here gives the frame the ability to be lower in this area so it doesn't protrude into your storage. This is an 8-inch I-beam frame that's welded to the bottom of the main 12-inch frame that spans the rest of the coach. Huge, huge storage. They put the storage doors on hydraulic lifts too, which are really nice. Here's your wet bay here. It's a sealed wet bay, which means any water that leaks is going to want to run straight to the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it rotting or molding in this area. It's very well laid out. Your outdoor shower right here. All your connections for cable and satellite. Plus, they're now putting 1.5-inch thick doors on these slam latch doors. You have your propane service area right here. A lot of room to work around your propane tanks. This does have the 6-way level up system, automatic leveling. And your leveling controls are right here on the front, which I can appreciate because in many cases they'll put it on the side here and it's kind of out of the way of where you're actually going to be doing all your hitching up work and leveling work. But by putting it here, it gives you much more access to your truck at the same time what you're doing with your hitching, unhitching, and leveling process. Solar connection right there, your front basement storage area. Now this unit does not come with an upgraded pin box, something I would have probably expected. Something like a Morryde rubber pin box or something along that lines. What I really like is the look of the new front cap. They've done a great job to make it stand out, look bold, but at the same time very contemporary and clean. So the lines on the new Gateway are very, very nice. This is a massive unit with a full straight profile ceiling, so the roof on this does not tilt back or slope down at all. It's a full straight profile going all the way back. The other side of your door, your other propane tank will be in here. Aluminum folding steps. You know, having this type of step system versus like the solid type step system from Morryde or LCI can be convenient in many ways. This is nice because if you're crammed into a really tight storage area like we are, it doesn't really matter how close you are to the coach next to you, the stairs can still come out and you can still gain entry. Versus mine, where they have to tip out. If you're right next to another RV, you might be a little too close and you end up having to pull your fifth wheel out in order to get entry into it. So you have more storage here. Really nice magnetic holds to keep it in place. Nice finished floor in here as well. Nice storage area. That is a good spot for umbrellas, you know, even towels or anything you might just want to keep outside so somebody doesn't have to come inside to get it. Nice thick doors. This has Trailer King tires. They are F-rated tires though, so this has F-rated Trailer King tires. So even though they're not going to be a really high-end brand, they are definitely going to be robust simply because it's an F-rated tire. That is a very, very robust tire. This does have an upgraded equalizer system. The back section of the 6-point level up. Behind this very long door is your outside kitchen entertainment area. So you're not only going to have an outside sink, you're going to have your shelving here, you have a cooktop right here, as well as a TV, looks to be about a 32-inch TV, and a micro refrigerator. So this is a pretty well-equipped outside kitchen. It's nicer than many of them that I've seen, especially considering they give you a sink. And then this, of course, pulls out. It's also on hydraulic lifts, which is really nice. So both the front and back door have windows, which is nice. In many cases, you'll only have one window on one door, but this one has windows on both. You get the traditional grab handle on the front door, but on the back door, it's just a smaller plastic handle here. Going to the back of this coach, you'll notice it does not have LED lights, which is something I would have expected. Secondly, it has the camera connection, but no camera installed. It does have your traditional rack and pinion slide system. Very nice and cleanly sealed. And here's your main slide. Again, it's sitting on a 12-inch I-beam frame. I gotta admit, they've done a pretty good job in terms of quality control to clean a lot of this up. In many cases, you'll see a sloppy seal. You just don't see a lot of time and effort put into making sure this area is done well. But it looks like Heartland's really stepped up their game. Has a fully sealed and enclosed underbelly. There's your spare tire. This is the 3810 RLB. Stepping up into this unit. Has a very toy hauler type feel, but with very tall ceilings in this coach. Has this 4-seated sofa that also reclines, heated, cooled massage. Has this large buffet table here. Big kitchen, lots of countertop space. It's got a huge TV up there. Looks to be a 55-inch TV for the folks that are sitting on the sofa area, but not necessarily the folks that are at the buffet area. Again, a lot of space in the kitchen. In the back here, you have kind of a pseudo bunkhouse. This is a really interesting layout. So you're going to have your rear bathroom right here. No shower. It's a half bath. Nice seating, eating area here with a fold-out sofa. So you have a bed back here for the kiddies. But you're also going to have this really nice loft with a ladder system in the very back. Lots of cabinetry, cabinet and storage space back here as well. And you do have a place for your TV right here. It's a very interesting layout. One of the things that's really nice about the Gateway is they put a very residential style cabinetry system in these coaches. This is something they've done for a while. It has one of the larger gas electric Dometic refrigerators. Nice cabinetry, nice pantry area right here. You have this big wall that they've introduced some pocket storage, and behind this door are all your controls. Slide outs, your touchscreen remote here that controls a lot of the things as well. This one has a central vacuum already installed in it. Very, very tall ceilings. I think I've mentioned that, but you're looking at probably 9-foot tall ceiling heights. This is a massive slide, by the way. I can't tell if you can see all this, but this entire wall right here is a slide. Now, going up the stairs into the master bedroom. Now this is a master bedroom. Just a tremendous amount of room. King-size bed, but you actually have space on each side to get around the bed. Plus, there is tons and tons of cabinetry in this coach. You got so much closet room in this coach. It's amazing. So this is where you'd put your stackable washer and dryer. You have a TV inside your closet. I'm kidding. The TV is stored in your closet, but it's on a slide system here that allows it to slide in and out of the way when you want to watch it. And just walking into the closet, let me turn my light on, you have all this room. And it's accessible through 3 sets of doors. Does have its own AC system. It is a Dometic unit, direct fire. It's a direct fire, but it has a thermostat here on the wall. It has an interesting door system to get into the bathroom, kind of a pocket door, but it folds open about halfway. It's like a center hinge door. Really nice bathroom. 1-piece shower. A lot of room in front of the toilet seat. You have a towel holder in the back. You have some storage for toiletries. Nice medicine cabinet area. Nice countertop space here with the sink. It's a very comfortable sized bathroom. Here's your living room thermostat. look at some of the weights on this coach. Has a dry weight of 13,507 pounds and a cargo capacity of 2,445 pounds. So when everything's said and done, this is going to be about a 16,000 pound coach. This coach has twin 7,000 pound rated axles, has a gross vehicle weight rating of 16,000 pounds. This particular coach has about an $85,000 MSRP, and the sale price on this coach is going to be about $50,000. This is a really massive coach. It's the size of a toy hauler, but it's not a toy hauler, which is really crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please take a moment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you again very soon.